This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the bonnet release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the bonnet safety latch and raise the bonnet upwards. Pull up the battery cover to access the battery terminals. Loosen the clamp nut and disconnect the battery negative lead from the terminal. Remove the main beam access cover. To remove the main beam bulb, pull the side of the bulb outwards until the retaining clip releases. Disconnect the bulb from the wiring plug. Fit the new bulb securely into the wiring plug. Do not touch the glass with the fingers. If the glass is accidentally touched, clean it with methylated spirit. When refitting the main beam, align the lug on the bulb with the cutout in the reflector, then push the bulb into place. When fully fitted, an audible click will be heard. Refit the access cover. Remove the dip beam access cover. To remove the dip beam, rotate the bulb holder anti-clockwise and pull it from the reflector. Disconnect the bulb from the wiring plug. Fit the new bulb securely into the wiring plug in the correct direction. Again, do not touch the glass with the fingers. When refitting the dipped beam, position the bulb holder in the reflector and rotate it clockwise. Note that the bulb holder will only fit one way around. Refit the access cover. Connect the negative battery lead to the terminal and tighten the clamp nut securely.